Yo, I got my hands on my belt buckle. I'm not a fighter, never felt knuckles. With the girl, dog, I felt something. She's like, yeah, yo, that's love, huh? I don't even gotta rhyme what it is. Yo, I'm just a fan of this. Yo, I'm just asking kids. I'm like, yo, dog, do you know where the T-Cat is? Cause I left my phone on it. I'm just a fan of ramen. But now I'm just eating ramen. Unless he's making me breakfast. The next kid who's next in, yo, I met a real cute girl. Have real big brown locks, yo. I'm like, yo, this is dope, but I can think of anything that I could ask you. Son, all the mistakes I should tattoo up on my body parts, yo. Find me nodding hard. Mistakes with tats, find me covered in this body art. I spit hot lines, son, when I'm nodding off. Like sleep, counting my sheep, check it out, yo, kinda like Biba, I don't even know who that is, but that's what I did, that's what I did, check it out, yo, real fast. I wish I could keep up, but I got no gas. Now I'm gonna slow it up, now I'm gonna bring it up. Check it out, yo, key, and I'm singing up. Check it out, but I'm not really, cause I can't get off board. Key, just rip this. Check it out, yo, on a hat bed. Check it out, yo, got a fat set. Check it out, I don't even know what that is, but I'm just gonna rip that. Check it out, son, there's white chair. Check it out, I can never lie there. Check it out, son, I'm a big fan, that's what I do. Check it out, big fan, cause it's so hot when I'm ripping this, kid, you don't even know it. Check it, even if I fall off, keep on going. Check it now, son, yo, I never slow up. Check it out, yo, me ramen wanna blow up. I just mispronounced your name and I didn't mean it. Check it out, he beats me up and that's how we get even. Check it out, that's so violent. I'm going to sleep, dog, go to sleep on me, close eyelids. Check it out, no, I'm not a fan of violence, but I'm living alone in my room like an island. Check it out, that's what I do all day. Check it out, no, rap insane, but insane kinda at the same time. Kicking there, kinda down the same lines. Just trying to think outside the box. I'm like, you're hot, but your friend is not. But nah, I really would never say it. Not that superficial, but keep hot and flaming. Like it was a little bit lighter, blowing up now. Never, not a fighter, not now. Cause I'm spitting nonsensical. My last verse was ill. Now my principles have changed just a little bit on a freestyle. Knock your knees out, let's see you freestyle with teeth out. Check it out, like you just hit the dentist. Check it out, yo, I'll rip it like a veteran. Check it out, yo, because that's what I do all day with Romano and his tunes. Check it out, yo, think you really dope music. I heard it on SoundCloud, you do make dope music. Check it out, see a row of tattoo. I wish I were just as hot as Manu's dance moves. When the beat drops, get a phone with your freestyle. Check it out, never just ripping it. Check it out, take a listen, kids. Check it out, Michael Jackson, with the dancing action. Check it out, he's a fan of passion, and he's dancing, fan of rapping. Switching it, loosen up. Under longer, short, straps, when I'm doing not short. Check these two chains. Check it, oh yeah, ripping it. Check it, oh yeah, I don't even know what to say with the ripping it. Dancing. Dancing. Take his hat off, that's what I'm doing in the hat part. Killing it. Killing it. Killing it. Hero, son of a veteran. Can't rap that hard, I'm aggressive. Enough when I'm killing this, check it out, we had all day ripping it. Yo, strike like lightning, and he brings so big, it's like a Viking. Check it out now.